guys, Kimberly Caldwell here. Now, let me get straight to the point. 50 million people suffer from autoimmune disease. One of those people happens to be Amy Lacey, the creator of Cali'flour Foods. Now, when Amy was diagnosed with lupus, she set out on a mission to not only create healthy, but also tasty food that everybody can enjoy. And that is how Cali'flour Foods was born. Well, I myself have a gluten intolerance, but I love pizza and pasta, just like you. So that's why I'm so excited to be teaming up with Cali'flour Foods to be hosting a very cool Cali'flour Club. So we want you guys to come along for the ride. Welcome to the Cali'flour Club.
You are what you eat. And I think the key to life in general is everything in moderation. Health is wealth, honey.
Welcome to the Cali'flour Club.
Cheers.
Thank you so much for being here. This is so exciting.
Thanks for having
So
us.
I wanted to introduce all of you because you're all like-minded, healthy women that are out just kicking butt on a daily basis.
Wow. That sounds so good.
Okay, so I want you guys to all kind of like meet and mingle. Is everybody here gluten-free?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
Is everybody here always gluten-free?
No.
Yeah, I am. I have
you are.
Hashimoto's.
Okay,
So
what
I
is
have
that?
to be.
Tell me, what
Hashimoto's
is
is an
that?
autoimmune disorder with your thyroid. So
Wait, say
basically,
it one more time.
Hashimoto's.
Hashimoto's.
It was
Okay,
named
sounds like a
after the
motorcycle.
doctor who So basically it's an autoimmune disorder, so it's different than celiac.
Wow.
I always tell people celiac is like the basic girl disease, and then Hashimoto's is like the designer version. Because it's more
Wow.
rare and it's an autoimmune disorder with my thyroid.
Okay, well the cool thing, and this is why I brought you guys here today, is because you guys are so health conscious, and you're active and you're energetic and you're on the go, and so you need things that are like available for you, and that's what I'm here with Cali'flour Foods. And so they have like the yummiest pizzas, and this is what we made with you today.
What is it?
Half cheese and half pepperoni because she has children, and they don't always agree on things.
And we
Right.
kind of blended some extra veggies in the sauce to, hide a little
Nice.
Jazz it up.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, little mushrooms in there. They won't know. We dice
Cute.
them up fine. Okay, and then with Rydel, we made this so
This
yummy
looks amazing.
bagel
Yeah, it
crust,
does.
Do you not
With-
eat meat?
I eat meat.
Oh, you do? Okay.
but no dairy, right?
No dairy,
But
no
no
gluten.
dairy. So we have
No
dairy-free cream cheese and cinnamon lox. You're very fancy for a young girl.
That's
Oh.
really amazing. And then you put a little bit of that everything bagel stuff.
All the things.
That is the best.
That looks
Did all
so
the things.
yummy.
ever.
Okay, and then Diann, we whipped it up
She
with
came
our
out with the
pesto
gourmet.
meal.
Made us all
I
look
know.
bad.
Well, I am the grandma. of
I'm
the group.
taking
Oh
this
my
home.
gosh.
She's
Stop.
actually a grandma.
Yes.
No, she's like, no, you're not. Yeah.
Yes. So I am.
Actually, a
Yes.
grandma. So she's
Thank
a
you.
TV host. She's a love expert, and she's
some advice
a
from you all
mom,
the
and
time.
she's a grandma. And so this how we know each other is we're on the Steve Harvey show together on the Straight Talk panel.
Yeah. We battle
Yeah,
all the
we're
time.
all-
Yes.
So
And
it's
we're
a
about 6
relationship.
degrees because my dad directs the Steve Harvey show. So
And
there you
her
go.
dad's amazing. Steve Harvey show.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Kim's like a young mom. She's a newlywed. I'm a love expert. I'm like, that stuff you're talking, girl, is not happening for most women in America.
Yes, thank you.
You fell into a fairy tale.
We keep it real though.
Yes.
We keep it real for sure. Okay, and then what are we gonna make for you today?
Something gluten free.
Yeah.
We should do gluten-free
We're
cake
gonna
pops.
make a super yummy pasta dish with you today
Okay.
too, and it's one of the new Cali'flour Foods pastas. It's only 2 ingredients.
What are they, two
So it's
ingredients?
cauliflower and yellow lentils.
And that's it.
All protein.
So
Fantastic, right?
delicious.
I love that.
Fantastic.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about what's going on with you.
So I'm a
These
TV
days.
host. I have a show on Freeform, which used to be ABC Family, called Oh My Josh. And then
Okay.
you and I were for the same show. And they were like, it's between you and another girl. And I was like, okay, great, like I got this. And they were like, actually, we're going with the other girl. She was on American Idol. And I was like, what? And then my friend Blake was like, oh, my friend Kim is the one that got that show. I was like,
Hate her.
Great.
Hate her.
no, didn't hate you.
I hope she eats gluten.
No. Didn't hate you, but I was like, man. So I watched the first episode and I was like, oh, she's so cute.
I know. It's
Such
a
a
cute
fair. I can't be
So
mad.
we were both tattoo show hosts, but
Yep.
you landed a really cool gig on CMT's Tattoo Titans.
Yes.
Which is so
So it
awesome.
was like a month later, so I was like, it's fine, she can have that.
And I know you guys are never gonna believe this, but she's a model.
Well,
I do
of course.
model.
Would you even?
Have you seen those eyes?
Yep, wouldn't believe it.
Check
No,
out
you
the
didn't.
eyes.
For
Mesmerizing.
a second. Okay, so I just have a quick little game for you guys. And you might already know this because I know you eat a lot of this yummy stuff, cauliflower. But okay, I'm gonna go around and everybody name what you think is in the pizza.
I'll stay out.
There's
The
there's
crust,
four
you mean?
ingredients.
The
Four
crust?
ingredients. All right, this is an ingredient off. Go. 4 ingredients.
Name the first of the 4?
Yeah.
Salt, cauliflower, tapioca starch, and
Who are you people?
Right.
I would say some kind of great, like flaxseed.
Okay, and next.
I would say
Okay.
cauliflower for sure.
Okay.
Salt. Because of the pasta, I'm gonna say some lentils, and I'm gonna say sugar, because it's in everything.
Preservative.
It's in everything.
Well, guess what? Not only is this only 6 grams of carbs in the entire crust. Yeah, I know, jaw dropping.
Wow.
It's high in protein because it has eggs,
Wouldn't have guessed that.
fresh cauliflower, of course, mozzarella, and seasoned with basil and garlic.
That's
Can you
it.
believe that? That is it. That is all that's in
That's
this
it.
pizza.
There's no stuff that you can't pronounce.
That is.
That's a good
all
one.
the
That's a fit. That's
I think
a red
not only I
flag.
can pronounce it, but I think I could maybe even spell all those words.
You might be able to.
That's a big feat for me. Okay, you guys, let's dig in.
Yes.
Start
I'm
it.
hungry.
Okay,
I'm
let's do it.
excited to try this.
Everybody have a little taste of everything. Get
Okay,
get
I
your
made the
forks
pasta,
ready.
so I'm gonna
This guy.
pimp this out.
Yes, please.
Because
I'll
it's
have a little
yummy.
bit.
Pimp it.
Thank
Try a
you,
little
Mama.
bit.
Okay, I'm stealing the pepperoni one.
I want the pepperoni as
It
well.
is turkey pepperoni too, by the way.
Okay, thank
so
you.
delicious. You girls, thank you so much for joining me here today. This was the first
Thank
ever
you for having us.
Cali'flour Club. Awesome. Cali'flour, thank you so much for having us today. It's such a thrill to be surrounded by such inspirational, amazing women that are celebrating making healthy choices. Cheers to you, Cali'flour.
Thank you, cauliflower.
Cheers.
Cheers. Gluten free.